Beautiful day in Frankenmuth. So what I'm working on today is rebuilding this fence. This is a wee bit rotted, so I'm just gonna slip a womanized or treated 2x4 in behind here. This is like the old post. That's not even connected to anything. Got a new post now. It's gonna go down there. So that's where I'm at, working on fences. Yeah, so I inquired about the price of a 1x12 by 12 foot. And they want $87 a board. So what I'm doing here is I'm flipping the boards upside down. I'm going to make it a little higher than where I want it. Then I'm going to just zip it off across the top with the Mag 77. Shoot. Stuff's expensive. Yeah, also I got stung in the face twice by some yellow jackets. There's a big nest. There's a big nest right down at the bottom of that. So you can see the carcasses. Maybe not. There's a bunch of them right there. They had to die. They stung me twice, they had to die.